Hi viewers, this is Afrin Ali. I come with the Coke extract fan, big extract fans. So this is very huge extract fan. How we have to install this one? You can see this is extract fan installed there, and we need a base. Then we have to install this of the base. So we connect with the ducts to the extracts the air from there. So we make the opening for duct. See here, this is the person go inside. This is man opening. So person can go inside. This is the approximate 600 by 600 opening. Man go inside and they can maintain to the fan and whatever the maintenance inside. There is the shutter inside. When the air will be go, automatically shutter will be open. This shutter is helping us no rat or no mouse and no birds will come inside. When they open, it will be shutter will be open automatic. So when we install this one, we need to base this one. We have to make the base by the civil architecture, and then we have to install to the spring isolators. See, there is springs isolator. This is the spring isolator. We must be installed for vibration purpose. The vibration will be not come to the floor, and fan will be not struck, or you will be not damaged. So this is yellow color. This color of springs isolator, so this is depend of the weight. For example, there is a weight of the 500 kg, so we need to the yellow, and we have a 700 kg, so we have to use the red or yellow. This one. So this is extract fan. Totally explain you about this one. This is how we install this one. This is the spring isolator, very clear here, for all the sides. This we make the duct to extract the air to the shaft, and because this will be go to the and this extract fan. After that we install to the flexible duct connector. So duct connector for flexible. See, this is a flexible duct connector. Then we make to the ducts. Duct is also this is connect with the at the last of the lures, automatic lures. When the air will be go inside, the shutter of lures automatically open it and air go outside. When the extract fan is closed, so the lower lures shutter you have to cut down, because the mouse and rat and the birds cannot be inside. And we have to also install to the wire mesh in front of this one fan. This is remaining now, so because the mouse and rat not can go inside to this one. Okay, thank you viewers. If you like this video, like me. If you do not like it, dislike this video and comment me, and don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. This is Sayyid Muhammad Afrin Ali.